Hello everyone, we're going to start with question number 125. It says the electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor C have a charge Q and area A. So, according to the question, the options are inversely proportional to the distance between the plates, proportional to the square root of the distance between the plates, linearly proportional to the distance between the plates, or independent of the distance between the plates. So we have been given a capacitor C which have a charge Q. So according to it, for isolated capacitor Q, which is constant, hence F is independent of distance between the plates. So we can say that it is independent of the distance between the plates. The electrostatic force between the two metal plates is independent of the distance between the plates. So answer number 4 will be correct. Thank you.